Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. How to start affiliate marketing. Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. A guide for affiliate marketing. What exactly is affiliate marketing? Earning a commission by recommending a product or service made by some other business or advertiser is what affiliate marketing is all about. It is a monetization strategy in which an affiliate partner, in this case you, is compensated for delivering a desired outcome to the merchant or advertiser. Typically, the outcome is a sale. However, some programs may pay you for leads, free trial users, website hints, or app downloads. You won't have to worry about large joining fees because affiliate networks are typically free to join. If done correctly, this performance-oriented opportunity may transition from a side hustle to a lucrative online business concept by providing you with a steady income. Is affiliate marketing worth it? Given its growing popularity, there is no doubt affiliate marketing is worthwhile. According to Statista, the affiliate marketing sector will be worth $8.2 billion by 2022, up from $5.4 billion in 2017. It is also a low to no-cost business idea from which you may profit greatly. While industry growth is a strong indicator of success, entrepreneurs use referral marketing for a variety of additional reasons. It is simple to carry out. Your part of the equation consists only of handling the digital marketing aspects of creating and selling a product. You don't have to be concerned about the more difficult responsibilities, such as establishing, supporting, or completing the offer. It is low risk. You may begin generating money right away with a pre-existing affiliate network, as you don't have to pay a membership fee. Affiliate marketing may also provide relatively passive revenue in the form of commissions, which is the perfect money-making scenario. Though you may have to invest effort in developing traffic sources at first, your affiliate links can continue to pay you on a consistent basis. It is simple to scale. Successful affiliate marketing has the ability to dramatically increase your revenue without the need for additional staff. You may offer new items to your present audience and create campaigns for new products. Each live campaign can actively generate income in the background. Keep in mind that effective affiliate marketing is based on trust. While there appears to be an infinite amount of items or services to advertise, it is preferable to promote just those that you personally appreciate or would suggest. Even if a product piques your interest or fits into an existing activity of yours, being a great marketer for that product requires a significant amount of effort. How affiliate marketing works. Affiliate marketing is recommending a product or service by posting about it on a blog, social media platform, podcast, or website. Each time someone makes a purchase after clicking on the unique link connected with your account, you get a commission. To recap, you place an advertisement or a link of Store X somewhere online. A consumer clicks on your one-of-a-kind link. In Store X, the consumer makes a purchase. The transaction is recorded by the affiliate network. Store X confirms the purchase. You get compensated with a commission. The commission rate varies according to the firm and the deal. On the low end, you'll earn approximately 5% of the sale, but with certain agreements, you may earn up to 50%. There are affiliate marketing networks that pay a flat fee per sale rather than a percentage. How to get started with affiliate marketing. Isn't it a little tricky? Well, yeah. Becoming a successful affiliate requires the same effort and discipline as running your own small business. Start your affiliate marketing company by following the step-by-step instructions below. Choose your platform and technique. The first step is to determine the platform on which you wish to grow your audience. Every affiliate marketer takes a different approach and uses a different platform. There are several affiliate marketing concepts based on various ways from which to choose. Sites that specialize in a specific area or provide reviews. These are websites that either evaluate items for a specific audience or compare a product line to its competitors. To attract an audience, you must develop material relating to the review sector and upload it on a regular basis. Content on the internet. Bloggers, YouTubers, and social media influencers are examples of digital content makers. They generate specialty material that appeals to a certain demographic. The objective is to introduce specialized items that their target audience would appreciate naturally. This raises the likelihood that they will purchase, and you will receive an affiliate commission. Courses, events, and workshops are all available. If you're a teacher, you may include affiliate partnership offers in your classes. Regardless of the path you follow, the two most important aspects of affiliate marketing are authenticity and audience growth. The bottom line is that if you can't truly connect with your audience, you won't be able to convert them into affiliate sales. To choose a platform and approach, consider the following. What are your favorite kinds of platforms? Which platforms are you most familiar with? Starting an advertising platform that you are familiar with allows you to generate high-quality content that can lead to a larger, more engaged audience, which can be converted into sales. Choose a specialty and an audience. When it comes to identifying a niche, go with something you're excited about and know quite a lot about. This makes you appear genuine and a reliable source of information to potential consumers. It also assists you in determining which items and brands to market. If you are making a blog, write regularly, encouraging people to join your email list and share your material. If something is your specialty, you want to engage in content marketing and SEO to expand your owner base. As you continue to publish, you may utilize affiliate marketing tools such as social listening tools, web analytics, and social media analytics to learn more about your audience and what they prefer. Keep in mind that you are not compensated to publish. Affiliate marketing is a performance-oriented online business. If you know what your target audience loves, you can recommend the finest goods to them and increase your affiliate income. Locate your goods. To generate money as an affiliate marketer, your audience must be able to relate to what you're saying. The products or services you advertise must be things that they truly require. If you get this wrong, it'll obstruct your success and undermine your credibility in the eyes of your audience. Don't worry if you're not sure where and how to search for brands or businesses to collaborate with. There are several affiliate markets, such as Affiliate Future, AvantLink, CJ Affiliate, ClickBank, FlexOffers, LinkConnector, RevenueWire, ShareASale. Another alternative is to look at the websites of the items and services you use and enjoy, and check if they are running an affiliate program. Large corporations frequently offer programs on their websites, such as Amazon Associates or Shopify Affiliate Program. You may perhaps take an even more direct approach. Contact the owner of a superb product you came across to ask if they have an affiliate marketing scheme. If they don't, they will be willing to work with you to make an agreement, such as providing you with a unique promo code to share with your followers. When you are the first to inquire and have a relevant distribution channel, you are more likely to find the greatest discounts. When participating in affiliate marketing programs, you must adhere to their guidelines and terms of services. So study the fine print. For example, your link will often have a cookie with a time limit, and some platforms will not enable you to purchase pay-per-click advertisements using the product or company's name. Making your first affiliate pick. The most essential factor to bear in mind while you brainstorm ideas or browse affiliate networks is that the product should be in tune with your audience, or the audience you intend to create. Is there anything that your target audience might find useful? Is it relevant to your field of expertise? A cuisine blogger, for example, is unlikely to advertise beauty items. Other goods like kitchenware, meal packages, gourmet ingredients, and even aprons might be more appropriate. Also, ensure that the product or service your marketing is appropriate for the platform on which they're promoting it. Home decor and apparel, for example, are perfectly suited to image-heavy sites like Instagram. However, if you're advertising more in-depth purchases, such as software, longer-form venues, such as blog or YouTube, may provide greater conversion rates, increasing the visibility of your affiliate offer. As previously said, affiliate marketing money can ultimately become a type of passive income, but you must first perform some heavy work. The quality of your evaluation will determine the success of your program. It is best to go personal while writing a review. Share your thoughts on your blog, social media, or in a video. If you're writing a personal review, be honest about your experience with and understanding of the product. The more honest you are, the more genuine you will be. People will be more likely to accept your advice if they believe they can rely on you. People must trust you in order to act on your suggestions. Thus, trust is essential in your affiliate marketing efforts. The degree of trust required to make affiliate sales varies depending on your business and the items you're recommending. For example, being a successful affiliate for a $1,000 course requires more trust than being an effective affiliate for a $20 t-shirt. Shopify's affiliate program is made up of entrepreneurial, educational, and creative members that promote Shopify by sending referrals. Applications are free to fill out, and you may join the program without any charge. Once accepted, each partner receives a personal referral link that they must use to bring clients. They make affiliate money every time a new sign-up registers using their link. Affiliates that use Shopify on average earn $58 for each new paid Spotify user. The affiliate marketing strategies of Healthish, a leading water bottle retailer, have resulted in a brand worth of more than $1 million. To promote the launch of its core product, the WB1 bottle, it turned to Instagram influencers rather than the conventional affiliate method. Influencer accounts with 100K followers and higher are still working with the brand. The bottle sells itself thanks to its website, which is kept updated by material created by around 300 artists every month.